Hey, guys, this is William. I want to drop a training here or an idea about how to connect with people in groups who are obviously struggling. Here at the Conversion Pros, we sell the main thing we sell here is success. Success. All these people in these groups who are struggling to make money, they're inexperienced and they don't know what the heck they're doing. So here's how you want to reach out to certain people. Find somebody in a particular deal. Let's say maybe this guy right here looks like he's promoting some kind of digital currency or something. Just get in here and click on people's profiles and see what they're all about. If they're just spamming everywhere, he's also in CTFO, which is a CBD oil business. Look, this guy is this guy is promoting this all over his page, but he's getting very little engagement. So I might want to reach out to this guy. It says he lives in New York. So I may want to reach out to this guy. I'm going to add him as a friend first off, and then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to like his post. And then I'm going to say, get with, what's this dude's name? Get with Anubis. Okay. Get with Anubis about his CBD oil product. That's it. Just let him know that you're around and you're checking, you're giving him support for one. If you're commenting and liking on his posts, do that. Some engagement. Maybe he'll engage back with you. That's all you want to do. And then go to the next person. Ramon Wilson, he's in TCP, so I'm not gonna. Well, let's see. Michael Jefferson, he's in TCP. He's using the TCP link right here. But look for people who are obviously struggling with whatever it is they're doing. Because if you scroll through these groups, you can find different businesses. And what you want to do though, as you connect with these different people, like I said, you just want to be human with them and engage with their content and add them as a friend. And then when they accept your friend request, you want to go in and just send them a message. Like, I'll give you an example. Let's say I just added this person from a group right here. Let's just use Rayshawn Taylor. He's in TCP. Let's just say he's a new person that I connected with from a Facebook group who I see is obviously struggling, does not have engagement, and just doesn't know what to do in their business. I'm not saying this to you, Rayshawn, if you're seeing this. I'm just using you as an example. And you want to connect with this person about TCP. You want to, instead of typing out a message saying, hey, if you want more success in your biz, you might want to check out TCP. No, don't do that. Don't do that right off. I find that I get more success with just being human with people first off. And when they accept my friend request from a group, I'm going to send them a voice message. You see this little mic right here? You click it and you can leave them a voice message. And on the voice message, you just want to say, hey, thank you for connecting with me. I see that you're in such and such business. And I just wanted to ask you about your current results and see how that's going for you, or something like that. Or don't even talk about business first off. Talk about just normal stuff. Talk about something like, hey, thank you for my friend request. I enjoy connecting with like-minded individuals, and leave it at that. Leave it at that, and then go back to their content, like some of their content, comment positively on some of their content. Don't throw your links out. Don't spam your link in their inbox. Don't do nothing like that. What that does is, if you're commenting on their content and liking their posts, that's going to make you stand out more. It's going to send them a notification saying that you're checking out their stuff. And hopefully you're trying to get them to engage back with you and see what you're all about. Maybe they'll go to your page. You know how people get curious. They'll go to your page. They'll click through your stuff. They may click on, something about TCP that you have up here. I've got TCP stuff. I've got all kinds of stuff through here. But people get curious. I mean, when you're actively engaging with people and positively, you're trying to get them to respond. Now, when they respond, you want to just talk about their business. Take the focus off you. Talk about their business. And eventually you want to bring up what you do with the conversion pros and how we get people to be the 1% that are successful in any MLM, home-based business. It doesn't matter what it is. So once you get in that conversation, and then you want to say, well, you can try us absolutely free. I don't want any money from you, but I want to actually prove to you that we can take you from the 99% failure rate that you're experiencing right now and put you into that 1% position to where you're successful. So that's how I connect with people in groups. I don't spam. I hardly ever post in groups, and I'm just actively engaging with people that are already in these groups that are sucking. They have no idea what they're doing. Let me try to find another one. Let's see. Yvette Rivera. Look at this post now. Let me see. 1,030 days. Ask me how. You need help. I'm going to add him as a friend. I'm going to like the post even though this is an idiotic post. And I'm going to comment. I'm not going to be like these other jokers that say how. I'm just going to say get with Martin. Get with Martin now about this opportunity. Boom, that's it. And then I may go to his post or his profile, and I'm going to check out some of his content. Click on some of his pictures. I'm going to like some of his pictures. If something they post resonates with you, you may want to like it. This post right here, everybody wants a quick fix in life. You may get results, but they won't be permanent. The permanent results come from you having to suffer. Okay. If that resonates with you, just drop a comment. Just go through some of their content and just interact with it. Maybe they're looking for what TCP offers. Maybe they want to brand themselves more. Maybe they want to have, sales funnels if they're not using sales funnels already. And come on, guys, we're the cheapest, most affordable system around. Like David said the other day, we can send out unlimited emails through our system. Whereas, if they're using ClickFunnels or something like that, I'm not trying to bash them, but, like David said, do you want a fancy car for more, or do you want, an even better car for less? He used the analogy of, his Maserati versus like a Chevy something, and that's absolutely true. We are the better system. You can't find nothing else like us, for the price point and the features and unlimited everything. It's freaking nuts. So you just have to put this in front of people and let them know that we exist. For one, let them know that we exist. We're kind of under the radar. We're big in the industry, but we're kind of under the radar. So you need to actively show people what we can do. And when you can do that, I mean, it should be a no-brainer for people. You know, just connect with people. You know, I can go through these groups all day and just connect with people. Here's a CTFO group, which is a CBD oil company. Connect with some of these people. Michael, let's see, let's check out his profile. And a lot of these people are doing things the wrong way. They're doing things the wrong way. And they might have some engagement here and there. But, you know, a little bit of research on somebody's profile will tell you all that you need to know about what they're doing and if they're getting results or not. If you see somebody with very low engagement on their profiles, then that's somebody you want to show the conversion pros to. Even if it's somebody with a lot of engagement, like I clicked on this guy just now, he has a lot of engagement. So that shows me that he may be a prominent figure in his company, and he may want to brand himself more with using our system. So just reach out to him and be human. I'm going to send him a friend request, and I'm just going to be human with him. He's followed by 4,000. Okay. So he probably has a more firm grasp on the power of network marketing, but he may not be using a system like a system that we provide. He may not be using anything like that. You know, you could show it to him and it could blow his mind, you know. And look at this. This is exactly what I'm talking about. He is using a corporate website. He's using a corporate website. He may have a lot of success already, but he's using a corporate website. That is not the way to go. That is not the way to go. But I mean, you'll run into people that don't get it no matter what you show them. You know, successful or not, they just won't get what we provide and what we do for people. They just won't get it. But so move on. Move on. Like David says, not everybody's going to get this. Move on to the next person. And look at this. The guy that I commented on earlier, he actually responded. And he said, "Thank you, William Sullivan." Guys, this is this method in action right here. You're seeing it right here. He accepted my friend request. So it's working. And then I would want to reach out to him and send him a voice clip, wave at him first, send him a voice clip, and just introduce myself and then go from there. See, this is effective. I'm not spamming people. I'm not even posting ads. I'm just engaging with people's content, and they're engaging back with me. You see how that works? You see how that would make sense? And then just connect with this person on your own time and show them what we do with the conversion pros that can help them brand themselves and help them get on leaderboards in their company. This guy, from what I can tell, let's go back to his profile. This guy, from what I can tell, he's not getting a lot of engagement. Like I said, these are the people I'm after. He's not getting a lot of engagement. He got 2 comments on, well, that was me. He's not getting a lot of engagement. So this person is a good candidate for the TCP system. I mean, come on, guys. It's freaking easy. It's freaking easy. But anyway, that's the video. I'm gonna cut it short now. It's about 15 minutes. But you see how this works? You see how this works? And have your profile set up to where when they go to your profile and check it out, you know, you're not plastering ads all over your profile, but you're giving value. You know, I got a few ads up here, but I'm giving value with some of the posts that I put up. Like I just made this right here for conversion pros. You know, I'm selling without selling. You know, I mean, I'm showing my life. I'm showing testimonials right here. Here's one from Margaret. I mean, come on. It's freaking easy. It's freaking easy. All right, guys, that's it. Now go out here and do the same method over time every day, and you'll get people interested in what you're doing. And just connect with people and show them the power of TCP and give it away. Give it away for free. That's all you got to do. Give it away for free. I do this part-time, and it works. It works.